Hey, welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be doing another quick one on how to secure your garage door if your lock on the garage door handle doesn't work. Common problem for a lot of people. I just moved into this house. It's an old garage door. It definitely doesn't lock. So I'm going to show you a real quick solution that shouldn't take you that long. All right, let's get this camera set up. I'll show you the tools we need and we'll get going. Okay, like I said, this is pretty simple. You're going to have your drill. All right, you're going to have your drill bit kit. I am using a 1/2 inch bit. All right, and this is a Black & Decker, I think, DeWalt. This can go through metal. All right, so I'm gonna use this, and we're gonna be securing it with a master shackle lock or any other shackle lock. This was just where I was on sale. This is what I grabbed. What we're gonna do is, as you can see here, all garage doors have this track system, this wheel system. All you're gonna do is we're gonna take our drill, the other side, we're gonna drill through here. You're gonna mark, get a rough idea of where your lock can fit. Don't go too far over, so right around here. We're gonna drill our hole through right above this wheel, and then we'll put the shackle lock through and it'll secure it. So let's get started. All right, we're rolling here. So again, you just wanna make sure that you're drilling right above this wheel, all right? So I'm gonna come across right around here. I'll pop this in here. Now, first things first, before you start drilling, always double check, triple check where you're gonna come out. This looks good. And after that, make sure you're wearing eye protection because there'll be metal shards flying out and you don't wanna get hit in the eyeball, all right? So we're just gonna start drilling a little slow to get this going. Actually, I'm gonna go over just a little more. This will be good, actually. Yeah. And apply pressure when you're drilling. Back it out first. Take it out. Okay, let's verify this hole did not hit our wheel. There's my finger. And I'll show you how we're gonna do this. We are not reinventing the wheel, anybody. Just basic solution. All right, through there. Lock it. Now we'll set the camera back and I'll try to open it and you'll see what happens. All right, the door won't open. Let's go take a look as to why. See that? This padlock's not gonna move for sure. And this isn't gonna jump over it, all right? That's just science. This metal's not gonna move. So that's the solution. So real quick fix, all right? If you're having issues and your garage door won't lock, that's the most basic way to do it. Slap a deadbolt in there with a hole you drilled with a 1/2 inch bit. If you do have an automatic garage door opener though, make sure you don't open that garage door when this is deadbolted. You'll have a serious problem. That's really it, guys, girls. So if this helped, make sure you like and subscribe. Drop things in the comments. I always reply. Hope everything's going well for everyone. Talk to you later. Peace.